So moving on, I would like to show you a demo of how Windows Mobile 6.5 looks like running on an actual device. Here we go. Let's wait for the screen to reset itself. Okay, so I'm running on a Touch Pro device. Now what you're looking at here is my actual device. If there are any SMSs or emails from private ones, please excuse me. Now what you're looking at here is the lock screen. You'll see that most of the time when you take out your phone, what do you look at most of the time? Why do you take out your phone? It's usually time and where you need to go to next, right? So that's what we display here first. We show you the time and show you the next appointment in your calendar. We also have a notification button on top that you can tap, and it brings down a list of notifications depending on the type of notifications you have. For instance, missed calls or incoming text messages or email messages. In this case, I have 2 missed calls, 3 text messages, and 73 email messages. Okay? So as I go throughout, throughout the day, you can see all the notifications that come in. And if I want to go directly to my emails, or let's say my text messages, for instance, I just take this and I drag it out on the side, to the side. Okay? And you can drag out on both the left and the right side, depending on which hand you use most of the time. So I'm going to unlock my phone. Yes, the PIN number is 6622. Please tweet and blog about it. And here you go. And the first thing you realize is the Chrome has changed. We basically improved some of this is a list control, and it's also finger friendly. So instead of using the scroll bar at the side, I can use my finger to scroll up and down. Okay? And if you hit the menu, you see that we've also changed the Chrome for the menu item as well. Okay? So that's first one. The second thing is, if you hit start, let me just go back here. Let me just close this text message window. This is the main UI, or the main home screen, the Today screen. And it's also finger friendly. You can tap on this bar and drag it up and down if you like to select your text message or email or a calendar, for instance. Or you can scroll the back. So if I take any surface, let's say here, and I drag it down and I spin it down. So it works as a spinner. It also works as a selection box. Right? And if, for instance, if you have your pictures, you can just scroll like this to go through all the different pictures that you have. Okay? So that's the other UI. And the third one is obviously the start menu. So we've dropped the honeycomb interface. We made the icons much bigger so that people like me with big fingers can tap accurately. And then it supports scrolling as well. And the scrolling is intelligent to stop after every page. So if I just scroll like that, it will stop instead of going all the way to the end. Okay? So it's a lot more usable. So that's the basic UI, if you like. Just a quick guide, just to show you. There are a lot of things that we've improved upon as well, such as the email. You have a nice icon at the side with a double line display for email. Again, everything is finger friendly. Okay? So that's Windows Mobile 6.5. What do you guys think? No? Good?